Imagine looking up at the night sky in 2030. Instead of distant twinkling points of light, imagine seeing the faint glow of distant space hotels. These structures orbiting Earth will be the new destinations for the adventurous and the curious. They will offer unparalleled views of our planet and the cosmos, redefining what it means to go on vacation. Picture families embarking on suborbital flights, experiencing the awe of weightlessness and gazing back at our blue planet. These journeys will not only be thrilling but also educational, providing a unique perspective on Earth's beauty and fragility. Imagine the stories these families will share, inspiring future generations to look to the stars. This is the future that space tourism promises, a future where the final frontier becomes accessible, not just to astronauts, but to anyone with a thirst for adventure and a sense of wonder. The democratization of space travel will open up new possibilities for exploration and discovery, making the dream of spaceflight a reality for many. This is not a far-off dream. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic are already laying the groundwork for a thriving space tourism industry. These pioneers are pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation, making space travel safer, more affordable and more accessible than ever before. They are developing reusable spacecraft, building spaceports and designing experiences that cater to a new generation of space explorers. These advancements are not just about reaching space, but about creating sustainable and enjoyable experiences for all who venture beyond our atmosphere. The question is not if space tourism will become a reality, but how quickly and how profoundly it will change our world. As more people experience space travel, it will become a part of our cultural fabric, influencing art, science, and our collective imagination. The potential impact of space tourism extends far beyond mere leisure and recreation. It will drive advancements in technology, create new industries, and foster international collaboration. The ripple effects of this new era of exploration will be felt across the globe. It represents a fundamental shift in our relationship with the cosmos, a paradigm shift that could alter our perception of ourselves and our place in the universe. As we look back at Earth from space, we will gain a deeper understanding of our planet's fragility and the importance of preserving it for future generations. As we venture beyond Earth's atmosphere in greater numbers, we will be forced to confront new challenges and opportunities, leading to technological advancements, cultural shifts, and a renewed appreciation for the fragility and interconnectedness of life on our planet. The journey to space will not only expand our horizons, but also bring us closer together as a global community, united by our shared quest for knowledge and adventure. For centuries, space travel was confined to the realm of science fiction, a distant dream pursued by a select few highly trained astronauts. The idea of venturing beyond our planet was something that only existed in the imaginations of writers and filmmakers who envisioned a future where humans could explore the stars. We watched in awe as Yuri Gagarin orbited the Earth and Neil Armstrong took humanity's first steps on the Moon. These monumental achievements were not just milestones in space exploration. They were defining moments in human history that showcased our ability to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. These pioneers ignited within us a collective yearning to explore the cosmos, to witness its grandeur firsthand. The sight of rockets launching into the sky and the thought of humans living and working in space inspired generations to dream bigger and reach further than ever before. Today, that dream is becoming a reality. Advances in technology and a renewed interest in space exploration have paved the way for a new era of space travel, one that is no longer limited to government agencies and professional astronauts. Private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic are leading the charge, driven by a spirit of innovation and a vision of making space accessible to all. These companies are not just building rockets, they are building the future of space travel, where anyone with the desire and means can experience the wonders of space. They are developing reusable rockets that can dramatically reduce the cost of spaceflight, making it more affordable and sustainable. This breakthrough in rocket technology is a game changer as it allows for more frequent and cost-effective missions, opening up new possibilities for exploration and commerce. Spaceports are being constructed around the world, preparing to launch tourists on suborbital and orbital journeys. These spaceports are the gateways to the final frontier, where the dream of space travel becomes a tangible reality for people from all walks of life. This isn't just about sending millionaires on joyrides. The democratization of space travel has the potential to inspire a new generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers who will push the boundaries of what is possible. The rise of commercial spaceflight has the potential to revolutionize scientific research, enable the construction of space-based infrastructure, and even pave the way for the colonization of other planets. By making space more accessible, we can accelerate the pace of discovery and innovation, leading to breakthroughs that will benefit all of humanity. As the cost of reaching orbit decreases, so too will the cost of conducting experiments in microgravity, deploying satellites, and transporting materials to and from space. This reduction in cost will make space-based activities more viable and attractive to a wider range of industries and researchers. This burgeoning industry is not without its critics. There are those who argue that the resources and efforts being invested in space travel could be better spent addressing pressing issues here on Earth. There are valid concerns about the environmental impact of space tourism, the ethical implications of expanding human activity beyond Earth, and the potential for exacerbating existing inequalities. These are important issues that must be addressed as we move forward. However, it is important to remember that every transformative technology has faced similar challenges. From the advent of the automobile to the rise of the internet, each new innovation has brought with it a set of concerns and controversies. By addressing these concerns responsibly, we can harness the power of space tourism to benefit all of humanity. Through collaboration, innovation, and a commitment to ethical practices, we can ensure that the dawn of commercial spaceflight ushers in a new era of exploration and discovery that is inclusive, sustainable, and transformative. The dream of widespread space tourism comes with significant challenges. One pressing concern is the environmental impact of launching rockets into space. The exhaust from rocket engines releases pollutants into the atmosphere, potentially contributing to ozone depletion and climate change. While the current scale of space tourism is relatively small, the environmental impact will need to be carefully monitored and mitigated as the industry grows. Another significant hurdle is accessibility. The cost of space tourism remains prohibitively expensive for most people. While prices have come down significantly in recent years, a suborbital flight can still cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, while an orbital vacation remains in the realm of multimillionaires. Addressing these challenges is crucial for ensuring that space tourism benefits all of humanity, not just a privileged few. Companies are already exploring more sustainable rocket propellants, such as biofuels and liquid hydrogen, to minimize their environmental footprint. Furthermore, the development of reusable spacecraft and more efficient launch technologies promises to further reduce costs, making space tourism more accessible to a wider range of people. However, technological advancements alone are not enough. We need to develop international regulations and ethical guidelines for space tourism to ensure its responsible and sustainable development. This includes addressing issues such as space debris mitigation, environmental protection, and equitable access to space resources. Space tourism is not a monolithic concept. It is a multifaceted industry that is rapidly evolving and expanding, offering a variety of experiences that cater to different interests and levels of adventure. It encompasses a spectrum of experiences, from short suborbital flights that offer a taste of weightlessness and breathtaking views of Earth, to more immersive and extended stays in orbiting space hotels, and even lunar excursions that push the boundaries of human exploration. These experiences are designed to provide a unique perspective on our planet and the universe, allowing tourists to see the world from a vantage point that was once reserved for astronauts and scientists. Each level of experience presents its own unique set of challenges and opportunities, from the physical demands of space travel to the psychological effects of being in a confined environment. Space tourism requires careful planning and preparation. Suborbital flights offered by companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin are the first stepping stone into this new frontier. These companies are pioneering the way for commercial space travel, making it possible for ordinary people to experience the wonders of space. These flights, lasting a few hours, will allow passengers to experience the thrill of weightlessness, a sensation that is both exhilarating and disorienting. It's a chance to float freely, to feel unbound by the forces of gravity that we take for granted every day. Witnessing the curvature of the Earth against the blackness of space is a profound experience. It offers a new perspective on our planet, highlighting its fragility and beauty in a way that is impossible to fully grasp from the ground. This view can be transformative, inspiring a deeper appreciation for our planet and a greater sense of responsibility for its preservation. It's a reminder of our place in the cosmos and the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. As technology advances and costs decrease, orbital vacations will become increasingly accessible. The dream of spending time in space is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. It's becoming a reality for more and more people. Imagine spending a week in a luxurious space hotel, orbiting the Earth and enjoying panoramic views of our planet. These hotels will offer a range of amenities designed to make the experience as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. These hotels could offer a range of amenities, including artificial gravity environments, gourmet dining experiences, and state-of-the-art recreational facilities. Guests will be able to enjoy the comforts of home while experiencing the wonders of space. Opportunities for spacewalks and other extravehicular activities will add an extra layer of excitement and adventure. Imagine stepping outside the spacecraft, tethered to the station, and gazing down at the Earth below. Further down the line, lunar tourism holds immense potential. The Moon, our closest celestial neighbor, offers a unique and otherworldly experience that is unlike anything else. Imagine following in the footsteps of the Apollo astronauts, exploring the lunar surface and experiencing the lunar landscape firsthand. The Moon's low gravity and stark, desolate beauty make it a fascinating destination for adventurous travelers. The experience of walking on the Moon, leaving footprints in the lunar dust, and gazing up at the Earth from the lunar surface is a dream that many hope to realize in the future. While lunar tourism remains a more distant prospect due to the technical and financial challenges involved, ongoing advancements in space technology and increasing investment in the space industry are bringing this dream closer to reality. It is a testament to the boundless possibilities that space tourism offers. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, the dream of exploring the cosmos is becoming more attainable for people from all walks of life.